So we're going to explore embracing change and how can people become more proactive, and rather than reactive to change, how can you become more proactive? And we're going to look at a tool called Control versus Influence. And this is by Steve Covey. And there's a serenity poem that goes something like this. It's grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Now, what often happens is that when change is happening, we might be spending so much time, mental energy, and time focusing on those things that are out of our control. And instead of readdressing all of that, rechanneling that energy and time and effort to things that we have influence over and can control. So what I'd like to do is just let's look at this framework, which is incredibly helpful to empower you to become more proactive about change. So we have inside, we'll start with the outside. So the outside circle is a circle of concern. What that means is it's a wide range of worries, and you want to avoid wasting too much time in just unnecessary worry about everything, especially things outside of your control. And the blue circle is a circle of influence. So it's worries that you can actually do something about, either directly or indirectly. So you might need to go through somebody else or take a small action to influence the change that could happen. And you need to decide, what action can I take in order to have an influence here? Then we have the circle of control, and this is the most empowering place for you to be. These are things you can control, and that's usually your mindset. It's something that you can work with because no one else has control over your mindset. So this internal conversations you're having, the internal mindset, that's something you can control. And you can set and achieve goals with these factors in mind, as well as influence.